A centralized hydraulic gear system was selected over independent unscrewing units. This was not a simplification. It was a stability decision. The part is a small medical component with strict dimensional and surface requirements. The mold is 1/16 cavities, 3-plate cold runner with pinpoint gate. Because automatic unscrewing is applied, anti-rotation grooves were added at the bottom of the part. This prevents the component from rotating together with the core. A single hydraulic motor drives multiple gears to synchronize all threaded core inserts. Compared to independent drives, this structure reduces cost, simplifies maintenance, and ensures rotation stability. The opening sequence is staged. Front plate 3 separates first. Plate 2 opens to release the runner. Rear plate 9 moves under elastomer force to create clearance for the threaded inserts. Then plates 4 and 5 separate. The motor rotates, and the threaded inserts retract. Through thread interaction, plate 5 then ejects the parts, relief clearance or cooling. At the threaded insert head is recommended to prevent overheating and galling. Production stability is engineered. Moldevo